I wanna show you how to make the floating effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you have your frame, extend it to 8 seconds. Then go to Effects Control and select Position. As the result, the first icon will appear. Move your timeline a few seconds ahead and increase your Y position to 750. Move again the timeline slider ahead and decrease your Y position to 600. Do it to the moment that you want that your effect will last. And the final step is we want that this effect will be smooth. So just highlight your all icons, right click of the mouse, temporal interpolation, easy out. Again, right click of the mouse, temporal interpolation, easy in. Let's see the result. Cool. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.